What's going on, everybody? This is Travis, and this is your Forex Trader's Tip for today. Now, Forex has changed my life, and I want to be very honest about that. I'm very grateful for what Forex has done for me, for my overall trading career, for my overall accounts, being able to say no to people, being able to understand that I can be able to work from home and be able to get the same amount of money that I was doing at the places where I work at currently. Right. So it allows me to be able to have a little bit more freedom and to be able to say, OK, well, if I grind enough, then this could be something that could really be something that could be able to be an economic driver for me and my family. OK, now you don't know what my story is. I actually end up having it in some of the other videos. But to be able to get back to the overall point of what I'm about to say, the only reason why Forex ended up changing my life was because of one word: patience. Now, what do I mean by that? Because patience happens in a lot of different ways. I was patient enough to be able to understand a strategy, learn it, and be able to understand why it worked and what you needed to do to be able to see it work. I was patient enough to be able to know that I end up having accounts or placing money inside of my accounts and almost blowing my accounts up, having to place money back in, almost blowing my accounts again, to be able to go through this strategy and to be able to change it along the way, right? I was patient enough to be able to allow my trades to be able to maneuver and go into their positions while I ended up just waiting to see what was going to end up happening, because I knew I had a high probability trade. But now it's just like, okay, well, instead of being a day trader, let's be a swing trader. Let's be able to allow the market to be able to go where it's supposed to go. And then if we're right, then we'll be rewarded, right? I was patient enough to be able to say, okay, well, if I'm in a position, even though I'm up 200 pips and my overall goal is 800 pips, I can allow the market to be able to put me into drawdown, meaning that 200 pips can go basically to break even or even lower before the market actually moving up towards my overall position from there, right? All of that is about being patient. The power of patience in Forex is immense, right? Some people don't get to their overall full potential because they're not patient enough to allow themselves to be able to learn more and know more about the market and know more about the overall alignments of the market. So they put themselves into a position to where they end up quitting before they can be able to have that aha moment, right? That aha moment happens with everyone, whether if it's in any sector that you end up having. I don't know if y'all see my dog right there. It's kind of funny, right? It happens in any sector, right? If you end up putting the work in long enough, you're going to end up having that aha moment, and you're going to end up being very good at what you end up doing. For me, it took me 5 years to be able to get to this point, right? So I want you to be able to understand this. Everything that you end up doing with the Forex market, for its trading, for its education, for its being able to get in and get out of trades, for its being able to understand and be able to relate to people and everything else like that, involves patience. The power of patience is very important for everything that we end up doing. OK, so just keep that in mind. Hopefully this video end up helping somebody. I'm pretty sure this video is basically related to somebody inside a trade. So tell me about one of your trading stories about how patience ended up helping you out, or how patience did not help you out throughout your overall trading career. If you like what I end up talking about, please make sure that you end up liking, sharing, subscribing. Please make sure that you end up hopping in and going to one of my free webinars. Or if you are a new trader and you want to be able to get some guidance, click onto the link. I actually end up sending you a book for free. Just make sure that you just go down and just sign up for it, and you can be able to do that. But until then, I'll see each and every one of y'all tomorrow for another Forex Trader's Tip.